Hi, welcome back to our channel PYT. For tech, finance and Indian industry related videos, please do subscribe our channel and support us. In this video, we are going to talk about the Azure App Service. Hosting web apps on premises is tough. IT teams often struggle to maintain 24/7 uptime. The cloud migration isn't just a trend, it's a growth accelerator for modern businesses. And here comes the Azure App Service. It is a fully managed platform as a service offering from Microsoft that enables developers to build, host and scale web applications, mobile backends and RESTful APIs without worrying about the infrastructure management. You can run even PowerShell and other scripts by using the Azure App Service. The traditional deployment requires hardware, operating system, database server, and security setup. Azure simplifies this with deployment slots, test in staging before going live. The key features of Azure App Services are it supports multiple languages including .NET, Java, Node.js, PHP, and Python. The automatic scaling handles traffic spikes during peak seasons and the built-in security and patching handled by Microsoft, so there is no manual updates needed. It's integrated with Microsoft Defender and includes built-in authentication. You can keep adding features and data without slowing down your business. The built-in monitoring tools help track performance and errors. The continuous integration and deployment, the CI/CD pipelines streamline updates, so no need to manage infrastructure as it is a platform as a service. The Azure handles operating system, patches and scaling. You can connect to on-premise resources via VPN or ExpressRoute. It's integrated with Azure Monitor and Application Insights. It supports multiple languages, integrates with GitHub, scales automatically, and keeps your app secure with built-in SSL and authentication. The different types of app services are web apps, API apps, mobile apps, and function apps. It hosts dynamic websites and web application. And when it comes to the API apps, build and expose RESTful APIs. For the mobile apps, the backend services for mobile applications. And for the functional apps, event-driven serverless compute via Azure Functions, secure with built-in SSL and authentication. Why we need to use the Azure App Service? Because it's ease of deployment. No need to configure IIS or manage servers. Even the cost effective is also very less. Pay as you go model with optimized resource usage. And it's a built-in authentication, SSL and compliance standards gives more security. We can automatically scale based upon the demand, and it supports staging environment, VNet integration and isolated hosting ideal use cases. So it's a enterprise ready. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe our channel for technical, finance and India infra and development related videos.